Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by ensuring power and space so the update won't fail. Charge the phone to 50% or plug it in. Make sure 2 GB free storage is available by deleting apps or moving photos to an SD card. Once done, connect to stable Wi-Fi so the download is reliable and won't use mobile data. Now open Settings, navigate to Software Update, and tap Download and Install. This starts the update process and verifies compatibility before installing. You'll see the update file download. Let it complete fully before proceeding. During download, avoid rebooting or switching networks because interrupted downloads can corrupt the package. When the download finishes, tap Install Now or Schedule Restart if you want a later time. The phone will verify and unpack the files, then reboot into recovery and apply the update. This can take several minutes. Make sure you do not remove the battery or unplug the charger until the final reboot finishes. After the final reboot, check settings about phone to confirm the new Android version and security patch level. If the phone is slow, allow a day for caches to rebuild. If it won't boot or shows errors, attempt safe mode to remove problematic apps. If that fails, boot recovery and wipe cache partition. As a last resort, perform a factory reset, but make sure your data is backed up first using Smart Switch or Cloud Sync. This avoids data loss and resolves most post-update issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.